Yoga+Beats is definitely a practice for people of all levels. It brings people to their mats, it allows people to listen to good music, it allows them to tap into that creative part of themselves, and then it sets them up to create relationships off the mat. It's important to me that we create opportunities for people to connect, to breathe together, to socialize together in ways that are meaningful. And Yoga+Beats does that. What makes Yoga+Beats different is that it's an improvisation between myself and Kirby. So I am listening to what he's doing, he's listening to what I'm doing, so I don't come in with a plan or a sequence that's set. Everything is improv. I don't know what he's gonna play, he doesn't know what I'm gonna teach. So it becomes this really authentic experience that's around the people that are in the room. I think that the beats, especially it being deep house, are an element that enhances the practice. So the two feed into each other really nicely. It gives you that very deep experience of being in your body. It definitely has a social vibe to it, so a lot of times people will hang out after class and there becomes this social element of practicing together and then hanging out together afterwards. And a lot of the people who come regularly are people who socialize together. We travel together, and that's what's kind of fun about it.